Welcome. Today we're setting up your Blueassist Home or Falls package. Let's get started. In your box you will find your base unit, power cord and Falls pendant if you have purchased the Falls package, or our standard home pendant. Now we connect the power cord to the base unit. Plug it into a wall socket in a central location within your home, standardly next to your existing landline phone. You will see as soon as power is connected, the lights will illuminate and the device will speak.
Powering on. Welcome to Blueassist.
Wait for the Connect light to turn from orange to green. This indicates the device has found 4G connection in its current location. If this does not happen, you will need to unplug your device and try another location. To complete a passive test of your pendant, press the Info button once and wait for the device to talk back to you.
If you would like to test your pendant, please press your pendant now. Your test is being sent. Thank you. Your pendant test was successful.
To test the two-way voice functionality of the device, press the Help button once, or your pendant once. The Help button will flash, and the device will emit a loud sound.
Your alert is being sent. Your alert has been received. You will be contacted soon.
Good morning, I've received your medical alarm. Do you require assistance?
Congratulations! You have now set up your device successfully, and you will be notified if anything changes. The device will continue to communicate with our team 24/7, and you will be notified if anything changes. If you need more help, visit blueassist.com.au or call 1300 468 899. With Blueassist, you're in safe hands.